everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm gonna tell you that how can you change the background color of your PowerPoint. So let's start the video. First of all, open up your PowerPoint. After opening it, you have to select a blank page for your project. Select a blank page, enter all the data of your project. After entering all the data of your project, you have to move forward, and in terms to move forward, you have to look for a proper tool to design your project. You have a variety of tools in the menu bar. You can see you have an option of design. You have to tap on it and it will give you all the themes or background color for your project. You have to choose a specific background color of your desire or a background that is suiting on your project. Simply tap on it and the color will be added to your project. This is how you can add background color in your project in your PowerPoint. I hope you like the video and I hope this video will help you a lot in any way. Thank you so much for watching the video. Like, share and comment below. By following these steps, you can easily change the background color of your PowerPoint. Thank you for watching the video.